How to fix the issue First Descendant out of video memory. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with video memory on First Descendant game application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to make some changes in your First Descendant game application. So open your game and then after head towards the setting. Turn off the ray tracing by switching off the setting to off. After that, under performance section, click on additional option. There you will see the option of NVIDIA card. Simply turn off that too, as disabling ray tracing in NVIDIA DLSS reduces the demand on your GPU, which helps to prevent the out of video memory error. After that, now you need to upgrade the graphic drivers. So this setting is rated to your computer device. Simply head towards your start menu, right click on it and head towards device manager. There you will see the option of display adapter. Simply click on it and then select your graphic driver. Click on update driver and then you're good to go. After that, now you need to match the system requirement of the game with your CPU. If you see that the certain requirements are not matching, you can also upgrade your GPU. Even after following all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to upgrade the window and as well as update the game application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with First Descendant out of video memory. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.